Good morning or afternoon, grade 1s and 2s. Today is Wednesday, the 12th of August, and our focus in maths is directions. So we are giving directions today. I'm going to go through learning intention in just a moment. So I'm going to find it in the PowerPoint, which you can do too. So if you click on where it says PowerPoint, Wednesday, the 12th of August, it will bring you to this. So I'm talking about it now, but you can actually have this PowerPoint for yourself if you click on that link. Wednesday, the 12th of August. Our learning intention today, we are learning to give directions and use words that describe location. Success criteria. I can use words such as up, down, left, right, forwards, backwards, clockwise, and anti-clockwise. We're going to have a look at those two words today. So I've added a couple of words to our important word list. One of them is position. So you're going to hear me say that word a couple of times today. Position. A position is a place where someone is located or has been put. Okay, I will talk about that word again very soon. Let's talk about clockwise. Clockwise means the way that something is turning. Could even be a person if I was to turn clockwise. We are turning the way that the clock would turn. Have a look at that picture. It's got an arrow going the way that the clock hands turn. They go this way. So that is clockwise. Okay, so I've actually got a clock here. And we know that the clock turns. Oops, there we go. The clock turns this way. This is the way the clock usually turns. So that is clockwise. Okay. Anti-clockwise means the other way. So it turns the way that the clock wouldn't turn. So it goes this way. All right, so the clock goes, this is anti-clockwise. This is the way the clock doesn't turn this way. It'd be pretty weird if it goes, that will be going backwards in time. So let's look at clockwise and anti-clockwise with me. So now I need to think of the position that I'm in. So if I turn this way, this is my position, this is where I am, and I want to turn clockwise. Well, think about which way the clock turns. The clock turns that way to your right. So a clockwise turn for me would be like this. And if I turn clockwise again, like that, I can keep turning clockwise. Yes. Anti-clockwise will be going the other way. Anti just means opposite. So anti-clockwise, I'll be turning like this. All right, so hopefully that helps with those two words, clockwise and anti-clockwise. It is on our directions poster. So have a look. So the arrows going this way for clockwise, and this one is the race car turning out the other way, going anti-clockwise. All right, let's have a look at what our activity is today. Activity. Today, your activity is to help Mr. Larico find his way because I'm lost. I'm at the entrance of the zoo, but I need to get to the elephant and I need your help. Please get me there safely. I might need to go around or jump over some things, but I must stay on the path. You need to write your directions and they need to be clear because I don't want to end up on a giraffe's back or swimming with hippos. All right, so you'll find access to your task where it says task on the classwork page, just over here. The task today, if you click on task, Wednesday the 12th of August, that's what this says to do, complete the task, giving directions on the zoo map. It will bring you to the task page. And here I am, I'm at the start, just outside the entrance of the zoo. This is where you need to start. Think of my position. So I'm facing the way of the zoo. That's where I'm starting. So if I was to turn right, I'd be going that way. All right, so remember the position, where I am and which way I'm facing. All right, your job today is to give directions for me to get to certain places in the zoo, to different animals. The first one I've done for you. So it says directions to the giraffe. Let's go through them. Here's a giraffe here. You got to locate where it is first. So there's a giraffe. And to get to the giraffe, this is what I need to do. It says first, walk straight through the zoo entrance gates. So I'm going to be walking straight. Right? So remember which way I'm facing. So for me, where I am, I'm going to be walking straight. Walk straight. The next step, it said walk anti-clockwise around the zoo sign until you get to the koala. All right, so I'll be here at this point and walking anti-clockwise. Now remember, the clockwise is that way. So anti-clockwise is this way. So I need to walk that way. Okay, so I'm going to be walking around here until I get to the koala. That's what it said. There's the koala. What's the next step? Walk straight past the koala. So straight past the koala. Then turn right. So I'm walking past the koala, then turn right. So if I'm here, my position is there. Which way is going to be right? That way. Okay, so I'm going to be turning this way. And then turn left. So turn left. You will see the giraffe on your right. So when I'm here, the giraffe is going to be on my right. Okay, so you need to think about the position that you're in. So that's the first one done. Now you can do the next one. It says directions to the lion. So I put the first thing there for you. First, walk straight through the zoo entrance gates. If you don't want to use clockwise or anti-clockwise, you don't have to. You can use left and right. Which way will I turn to get to the lion? Well, I'm going to have to turn right. It looks like left if you're looking at it this way, but if Mr. Lorico is facing that way, then put yourself in his position. You're going to be turning right. Okay, so you can have a go at that. Then you can try and give me directions to the elephant. Elephant's over here. Then you can choose another place in the zoo that you can give me directions to. There is an extension task down below, so if you would like to do that, you can watch the video of the extension task in the PowerPoint. So you can go back to the PowerPoint and you'll find the video at the bottom. All right, good luck.